Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lillian. I do videos about makeup, K-pop, and anything that manages to catch my attention, clothes, daily things, rants. I might start those up again. So today I'm going to do a video on this clothes, this haul that I've been hoarding. My sense of time is off. I think a month or 2 months. These guys are dropping things like flies. No, that's a bad saying. They are very busy. These men are incredibly busy. So hopefully, I'm not gonna be getting stuff for a while, unless I get them as gifts or if I can justify the expense, because right now I can't. Please watch these videos, because who knows, maybe someday. I made 2 orders because there were things that I liked that I didn't get, but as always, I don't prepare ahead of time that I need scissors or a box cutter. So give me a minute, I'm gonna go grab that. I have a box cutter somewhere. Let me go get that, because that might be a little bit easier. I'll be back. You would think that by now I would have this handy, but I don't. Or scissors, I don't. But I found it. This one, you can tell by the size, it is a case. Did he have one case or multiple cases? I don't remember. But I got a case. And I am right, this is what the case looks like. And I think I got it for the 12 Pro Max, because that's currently what I have. And it is glossy, there are fingerprints there. I'm guessing from the people that printed them and put them in here. That's fine. Next will be this one. And this is what I have. It's a long sleeve shirt, white, and I think I got them in 2XL. If you watched my previous JayB unboxing, which was literally like a couple weeks ago. At this point, yes, because I have a feeling this will take me forever to edit. Comfort size is 2XL, XL or XOXO, non-pot, straight lines. And then this says, live without regrets. I like this. Oh, so you know what? Look. That's new. And I can foresee this being uncomfortable though. We'll see. Next package. This feels like slippers. No, it's not. I thought it was. They are 2 caps, pink and this blue. Definitely not colors we've seen. It fits my head. Again, I have an abnormally large brain cage. I like this. I actually like this pink. Is that weird? I very much enjoyed this pink. I like it. So here you go. And then this is the blue, slightly jean color. Actually, I think I like these more than any of the other caps that I've had, and I don't know if it's the colors, which it could highly possibly be, but I like it. This hair might end up in the most awkward bun by the end of this. We will see how that goes. And this is a black short sleeve. That's what the back looks like. This is also a 2X. I want to see if it, see, that looks different. I have a feeling that that was not supposed to be on the other one, that it was supposed to be cut out. I might take scissors to it. I will not be the one to be uncomfortable wearing a top. I really hate all these small bags. I wish they would just send it in a box again. Yes, I think the white one they didn't take care of, because this is the nude long sleeve, also in the 2X with the white detailing on the back that says live without regrets, and the inside is cut out. Just by taking this out, the stiffness of the sweater is like the gray mark one in the second drop. Yes, in the second drop. Just by the feel of the sweater. It's a crew neck sweater. Let's check the inside. It's been cut out. This neck sweater is still very stiff, but just like the tiniest bit softer than that gray sweater from Mark's launch. Am I breaking out of my chin real bad? Guess I am. This one's a hoodie. Nothing in the back, but the hood does have live without regrets. 2X. And this one wasn't cut out either. I wonder if it's the threading color. I had to stop because I heard someone in the hallway. As you guys know, I am super self-conscious of anyone hearing me record. Also, hair ended up in an ugly ponytail because it's hot. It was cold all day, but it's hot now, whatever. This is a short sleeve white shirt, 2X. This is what the back looks like. Live without regret seems to be, but he centered his stuff around along with the palm trees. But this one was cut out. I think they just probably, with the amount of orders that they had, they were just trying to get them out as soon as possible, but that kind of sucks because it means that they weren't paying the same amount of attention as with possibly other drops or comfort. Because now I'm gonna have to go and cut those other ones out. These are slippers. Look big. Did I order them? I might have. No, I did not. I don't think so. It says 910. My foot's not that big. These are humongous. These are not the right ones. But it's okay. Probably, I don't know if I'd ever get to wearing them. They'd probably just be collector's items. Unlike the Mark ones where I did order 2 pairs. One was a collector item and then the other one is what's currently living on my foot. This looks to be like a black hoodie. Yes. Nothing on the back but the hood to say live without regrets. It is a 2X and they didn't cut it out of this one either. I don't know what the inconsistency is here. I don't remember what all was in this launch, to be very, very honest. Oh, these are sweats. Nothing else on the rest of the pants. Size 2XL. It was cut out after sewing. It looks really comfortable. Has pockets, has a back pocket, literally like the Mark ones, just with JayB's logo. Now these two boxes. Now, for the sake of the fact that my information's on these boxes, I'm gonna cut this part out of opening the boxes, because I also don't feel like going around grabbing either sticky notes or washi tape to open these. Stick them on there just to open up. Okay, so I got it to work. So in one box, it's zip-up hoodies. Ooh, I hope nothing falls. Zip-up hoodies. Full zipper, front pockets, logo, live without regrets on the hood, nothing in the back. And if I have done nothing but kept consistent, the 2X. The last item on that first box is this other zip-up hoodie, 2X, gray, black logo and black lettering. Nothing in the back. This comes in a legit little bag, which is where I'll most likely keep it. Oh, I can feel the static. And this is the blanket. So, logo here. Let's see what else. That's it. Double fleeced. Or, not double fleeced, but it's fleeced on the inside. It's so soft. So, I was going to make it into a try-on haul. I don't know if I still want to. If you're seeing this, it's because I just didn't want to do the try-on haul part of this haul, except for just the hats. Jump onto my Instagram. I'm sure I'll wear them there. Bye.